Hello, this is going to be a quick video on how to view your students' work and how to print their work from the 3D environment. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my class from my profile page here. Open up the student that I want to see their work. Here they don't have any 3D designs, but they do have lessons. So say this is the one that I wanted to review. Say this was an actual lesson, a project that they were working on here. I can open it up and I can go tinker this, and it's going to actually open up the object. I can make changes as the teacher. The student can make changes. I can give like some feedback through some comments and stuff here. But if I really want to print it, the easiest way to just do that is to go through this download right here. So I'm going to go download, and then the most common type for 3D printers that we have in DPS is a .stl. Note though that when you download this, and if you have a Dremel, you're going to have to use the Dremel conversion software. Dremel is pretty common 3D printer in DPS, and it makes you convert to their own proprietary software, which annoys me. But that's what you're going to have to do. But for almost all 3D printers, the .stl will be great. We also have .obj. Here we can do laser cutter if you're lucky enough to have one of those in your classroom, and you'll be able to then print this directly. Please reach out to your digital coach if you have